I started HomeSafe because I wanted to do something that actually helped people. I didn't know what to do. I had a bunch of jobs before, but all I knew is I loved helping people, and I wanted to do something that people had a hard time doing themselves. But I wanted to do something that I could be the very best at, and that we could grow a company with people that had a like mindset. So we started out, and I loved it, and people loved and appreciated what we did. But what really drove me is after we hired a technician about 11 years ago, I just watched this guy who had had, like me, dozens of different jobs, but nothing really stuck. And then one day his wife pulled me aside and said, "Hey, Jacob, come here. I want to tell you something." And she said, "Thank you." And I said, "For what?" And she said, "For that." And she points to her husband, who was busy like cleaning out the van and reordering or organizing things. And he's whistling and happy. And I said, "What do you mean?" And she said, "He hasn't been this happy in years. You gave me my husband back." And she got a little choked up. And in that moment, I realized, this is what I want to do. I want to have a company that we really help people, but we also help each other. I want to give somebody else something that they can enjoy doing and feel really good about and be able to provide well for their families. So we're always looking for people that enjoy helping other people, that are problem solvers, and that take personal responsibility, that are always looking to improve. Those are kind of the key factors in the people that we look for and want to be a part of our team. So if you're looking for something like that might sound like something you would enjoy, or you know somebody that would fit that bill, send them over to our website. They can apply on our website. Go to careers, or just click on the button on the top right corner. We'd love to talk with you.